Alright, I'm gonna be testing here my Mavic 3 from cold boot with the firmware 6.49. That is a testing firmware that hopefully is gonna be coming out soon. I haven't turned on the drone in almost 2 days because I want to test how long take to get the satellites. Let me start recording the screen before turn on the drone. Screen recording. All right, as you see, it's on my. Let me turn on now the drone and see how long it takes to connect and get satellites. We start the drone. Hopefully this is recording without problems. All right, it just connect, and let's see how long it takes. I'm still in 0 satellites. Okay, 4 satellites now. Still 4. Still 4. Wow. 8. Still 8 satellites. And I don't have a home point yet. Still 8 satellites. So if you see, the problem is still persist. 7 actually went down. 8 again. So we still have the issue. 10 satellites and it's still not recording the home point. We are about 1 minute and 20 seconds since I turned on the drone. 11 satellites. Wow, unbelievable. And it's not giving me the option. Finally, 1:49 since I started recording approximately. All right, let me check complete.
Take off.
Let me move the drone over here to show you the firmware. In about, if you see here, is the version 642.0642 in the aircraft with the 600 in the remote controller. I'm gonna test the bypass as well. I'm coming back in a smart way. Some of the features that I want to show you, for example, that have now this firmware. Right now, if you see, I am not in Explorer mode, and if I use the scroll, I can zoom up to 3x in normal mode. Going back, if I use the Explorer mode now, the jump from 4, see, it's more smooth now, and it's pretty sharp. Look at this. Now, something that I noticed is that it's not blocking. If I go back, it's gonna drift a little bit to the left. Let's see if it does it now. Yeah, well, it doesn't show now, but if I do that in the air, it does it. Let me test the smart return to home, how it's working. I'm gonna put the drone, you know what, just for the fun, let's see how smart is this. Let me put the drone under the tree. I am in normal mode currently. Let me now call back home. See how smart it's gonna get. Oh well, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. I'm gonna cancel that because I want to test now, see how many satellites get from normal boot. So now that it's warm, let me shut off the drone. Completely off. Go back. I'm gonna turn the drone back on. And I expect to get satellite pretty quickly. It's raining, so I'm gonna do this very quickly. Let's see how long it takes. We are about 10 seconds since I turn it on. Okay. It connect. I have already 17 satellites. Look at that. That was immediately. That was pretty good. Pretty good. But it's expected because it have already the it's hot basically. I'm gonna test the bypass, the A pass. Let's see. Flying straight to the. You know what? It looked less erratic, like before. Let's see. Flying straight to the. Look at that. Way less erratic. Look at that. That's really good. Oh wow! I'm surprised. Let me turn back. Obviously, there is nowhere where it can go. Look at that. Much better. Before, the drone tend to be very nervous. Let's see. Look at this. Let's see. It's raining. Wow. Let me tell you, that one is an improvement. A-Pass. Let's see, flying between the cars. At this point, it's gonna be jumping like crazy. It's doing a pretty good job. All right, it's raining. I have the wetsuit. I'm not concerned, but I don't want to push it either. Let's see how it does. If it's smart enough. Look at that. Before, yeah, it's doing the same as before. I never was able to pass this with A-Pass on. I was expecting that it's gonna do it now, but it doesn't. Yep, let me go back. Well, there was a quick test, as you see, again, with the firmware. Let me show you again. 642. All right. Hopefully this works for some people. Have a good one.